Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off the internet from a specific application or games and why it is worth it and why you guys are searching about this because you want to use some applications offline, you want to games like the games that you already installed, you want to get offline mode so you can play it and you can load for you. So this tutorial is education purposes how you can get off the internet from the application or specific games even though it is your file is open. So first thing, you need to go to control panel and then you will need to go to system and security, Windows Defender Firewall, advanced settings, and then you will find inbound rules. This inbound rules, you need to get new rule, then you will go next, let it as program or make it as custom program, then you will get path 1. I will have a really simple example here guys. First one, which is postman, I want to use it as no internet, so here block the internet, then go next, domain private public, make it at this postman offline rule, then click finish, and there you go guys, you have a new rule with blocking internet and so on. I hope you like the video and enjoy.